I've discovered this gate in North Wales, and I think it's rather old. I think it could be from the mid-1800s, and it's of an interesting assembly construction. The slate is not the hanging post. I think it was part of a prefabricated, off-the-shelf fencing solution, and I've seen similar which have railings and posts that are aesthetically designed to match. So it's an all-in-one, one-shop stop solution. The gate is bolted together. It's not riveted and it's not welded. It has interesting design features to it, aesthetic curving, and two holes in the middle of the gate suggest to me that there was an additional piece, an embellishment, which sat above the centre. Its dimensions is 8 feet wide and it is 4 feet high. It has a conventional hanging post, hanging hasp, and although I'm not certain, there may have been a similar hasp at the bottom which has since rusted off or broken off, as the same size square nut is used top and bottom. Perhaps some sort of sliding keep. And here we can see we can just about see the square bolts that held the gate together. This includes the bars, which, as you can see, the rods are threaded at each end and bolted in place, and there is an easy arch which is secured at the bottom of each end. A very interesting design. It may have been flat packed and assembled on site, possibly, or it may have been delivered ready assembled and the whole fencing put in place. It's of a villa style, slender metalwork, and this can be identified in similar dated properties which are about the 1820s and 30s. So I'm looking at this gate and thinking it could easily be 150 years old, certainly in the industrial type of period, I would have thought, when the prosperity of this region came in. That came in about 1810, and then it really took off mid 1800s, and some rather nice villa buildings have been built. This is in a situation overlooking Porthmadog. Some splendid views can be seen, although the trees have taken over, and there's a villa which is either end of this road. In fact, there's several here. They've been altered and adjusted, but you can identify them at that sort of period, about 1820s. So a very interesting gate with great age to it and an interesting architecture.